Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I actually have a first impression slash review slash demo of a new to me product. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream, and I've been wanting to try this for a while and I just finally got around to it. So I picked it up and I wanted to test it out for you guys. So let's do this. First, I'm gonna look up the claims of this foundation because I actually don't know. So it says it truly gives you full, flawless, perfect coverage and protects your skin with SPF 50. And it'll clinically show you 179% of skin hydration, smooth skin texture, and enhanced skin brightness. This breakthrough color correcting cream never creases or cracks and instantly camouflages skin imperfections, including dark spots. Plus, it's infused with advanced anti-aging serum made of hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, vitamins, and antioxidants that work in harmony to diffuse the look of wrinkles, minimize pores, and give you a more radiant, supple, and flawless-looking complexion. So I think what we're going to do here is just apply, I don't know why, but this is so satisfying, like taking things out of their package. This is what it looks like, by the way. I'm sure you've all seen it. I got the shade Fair because I am fair. Also, their shade selection is not the best, so. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a pump on the back of my hand. Okay, I kind of did a pump and a half, I lied. And then I'm just going to, because this is how I prefer to do it, I'm just going to dot it. Okay, so I'm just going to blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. It does have a scent to it, but I'm not quite sure what it smells like. Like, do you ever know what the smell of, like, vitamins smells like? That's what it smells like to me. Okay, so the foundation is on all the way. I'm going to take a close look at it. It looks very hydrating, that's for sure. Which I don't particularly like because I am pretty oily, but it looks really good on the skin. It looks like my skin. It doesn't look too heavy, it doesn't feel heavy. I don't feel like it emphasized any of my texture, but also I didn't know I had this texture right here, so maybe my pores are gone completely. I have no pores, people. I have no pores. This is what the foundation looks like. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face. Okay guys, so I am back. The rest of my makeup is done. I think everything is looking really good. On camera, my bronzer every time looks orange and I don't know what to do about it. But in person, it doesn't look orange. I don't understand. I don't know. Maybe it's the lighting. I don't know. I'll fix it later. Okay, anyway, I feel like everything went on really smoothly. I feel like my face looks so smooth and so flawless. Like, I have no pores, I have no lines. We'll see later on in the day if my smile lines come, because I always get smile lines with every foundation. It's hard if I don't. But guys, my skin looks so good right now. I honestly can't believe it. My skin doesn't look this good without makeup on. Like, you can see all the stuff, but with this foundation, it looks so nice, so smooth, so flawless. Now, I will say it kind of does have more of a, like, natural to kind of dewy but not really finish. I am oily, so we'll see how that works on me. I didn't necessarily use a primer, so what I did is I used my moisturizer after I washed my face and then I sprayed the primer water on, but I didn't put on like a mattifying primer or anything like that because I wanted to see how the foundation wore by itself without a primer and if I would need to like touch up with a powder throughout the day. So we will see how that goes. Let's see if I can zoom you guys in and show you what my skin is looking like. So here is what my cheek is looking like right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks pretty good, pretty smooth. Okay guys, so that is it for this part of the video. I will come back a couple hours later and tell you guys how the foundation has been wearing, show you what it's looking like, see if everything on my face is still there, and yeah, so I do have to go to work and I will be sweating, so we'll see if this foundation lasts. Right now it is 8:46 and I will probably not remember that, but I'll probably see you guys around like 3 because that's when I get off work, so I'll catch you guys then. Hey guys, I am back, and so it has been a while now. Let's see. It is now 3:33 if you can tell. And so I've had this foundation on since 8. So this has been about 7 hours.
Now, for a 7-hour wear, I think this foundation looks really good still. I am getting a tiny, tiny, tiny bit shiny on my forehead right here, a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on my chin, which is not uncommon for me because I am oily. And it was my fault because I didn't wear a mattifying primer with this. That normally does happen, so I don't think it was the foundation's fault. But for not putting on a mattifying primer, it looks really good, because normally if I don't put on mattifying primers, I'm like, whoop, just oils, that's all I am. Anywho, I'm gonna zoom you guys in to show you. It does look really good still. I think it looks, my smile lines aren't that massive, which is surprising to me, but it has broken up a tiny, tiny bit on my chin and done that thing where it's like little dots, but that's been happening to me a lot recently, so, but this isn't the worst one I've seen, but I will zoom you guys in to show you what it's doing. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has broken up on my chin a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see that. And on my mouth, like at the top, just a tiny bit, it's broken up. But my smile lines, you can see little bitty ones, but that is like nothing. So what I'm gonna do is, to get rid of those little dots, I'm just gonna take the sponge that I used this morning and I'm gonna gently like bounce that over my chin and my upper lip. Now this is gonna help to just mess that foundation back in place where it should be. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my trusty powder, my Rimmel Stay Matte that's basically gone, and I'm just gonna set my forehead again with this because I'm looking shiny there. I'm gonna set my nose, and then I'm gonna set my chin. And this is what the foundation looks like after I set it. I think it looks stunning, beautiful, looks really good. I'm excited. I still have to wear it for like a long time. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my review slash demo on this foundation. I think it looks really good. I'm liking it so far. I think personally, from what I've seen today, that it's definitely worth your money. It looks healthy, it looks good, it stays put. I think it's totally worth my money, but I will keep on testing it out and tell you guys how I like it. But yeah guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. That's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. I hope you guys are having a blessed day wherever you are and whatever time it is. And I will catch you guys in my next video.